The art and fun of kite making. A beginner's workshop. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of English and its fascinating phrases. Today, we're exploring a particularly colorful and engaging topic: kite-making workshops. Whether you're a language learner or a kite enthusiast, this video will unfold the layers behind this phrase and why it might just be your next favorite activity. First off, let's break down the phrase, kite-making workshop. It combines two key concepts: kite-making and workshop. Kite-making refers to the craft of designing and creating kites, which are lightweight frames covered with paper, cloth, or plastic, designed to be flown in the air at the end of a long string. A workshop, in this context, is a meeting or a class where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. So, a kite-making workshop is a session where participants learn and practice the art of creating kites. Attending a kite-making workshop offers a multitude of benefits. It's not just about learning how to make a kite but also about the creativity, culture, and community involved. Workshops often include hands-on learning. Participants get direct experience with materials and tools under the guidance of an expert. Creativity and customization. You can design your kite, choosing colors, patterns, and styles that reflect your personality. Cultural insights. Many workshops highlight the history and significance of kite flying in different cultures around the world. Community and fun. These workshops are a great way to meet new people, share experiences, and enjoy the excitement of flying your own kite. If you're curious about what happens in a kite-making workshop, here's a quick overview. Introduction to kite history and types. Learn about the origins of kites and the various designs seen worldwide. Materials and tools overview. Get familiar with the materials, such as paper, fabric, bamboo sticks, and tools, like scissors, glue, and markers, you'll use. Step-by-step guidance. The instructor will lead you through the process of making a kite, from framing to decorating. Test flight. The workshop often concludes with a session where everyone gets to fly their kites, experiencing the joy of seeing their creation soar. We hope this video has inspired you to consider joining a kite-making workshop. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn a new skill, express creativity, and connect with others over a shared love of kite flying. Whether you're an English language learner looking to understand new phrases or someone interested in unique activities, kite-making workshops offer a world of enjoyment and learning. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see your kites flying high in the sky soon.